Hey friends, I wanted to go over a few basic rules to applying for your wife or your husband. If you're in the United States and you file for the I-130 and the I-485, meaning you're going to file for the petition for alien and then the adjustment of status at the same time, you really have to focus on the evidence, especially nowadays. So what evidence are we talking about? We need to focus on what makes you a married couple. What proves that you're a married couple? Bills, like water bills, electricity bills, any bills that you have that are in both your names needs to be part of your application file. What you also need to add are things like a joint bank statements, something to show that you have a bank account that says both your names on there, something that shows that you live in the same place. This is very important. Now, I understand that some people cannot live in the same home at the beginning of their marriage. This happens, so that's why you have to kind of pack it up on the other evidence, right? So reasons for not living in the same home: sometimes you live in Houston and your wife or your husband is going to school in New York. This happens in real marriages. Sometimes you are in a state of just building your life. And so you're at the beginning, so that can happen, but it needs to be explained. Now, something very important that needs to be part of your file is your taxes. The fact that you filed the most recent year together and jointly. This has to be part of your file. This is a big deal, and if there are no taxes that have been filed, there needs to be a very good application as to why you did not file your taxes with your spouse. Now, there are many other things I think you can think of that would prove that you're husband and wife. What I always tell my clients is put yourself in the shoes of the officer. How would you feel if two people walked in the door saying that they're married? What are you going to be looking for? And I mean, they're humans just like we're humans. So just put yourself in their shoes and build your file accordingly. I wish you the best of luck. And if you have any questions, call an attorney.